Mr. One Hand, what are we doing today?
Well, we came to the rescue to come save Alex, but...
And Eder too, right there.
He's already been saved, so I had to go home because I came here for no reason.
No, we needed some tools. Moral support right here, all right? And you got some time to spend with Mr. SVT Alex. You know?
Sleepy, I'm not even getting paid.
All right, Lucio, what do we got in store today? So we're taking off the starter right now. Starter's a bitch on this car.
Film. You can see the Terminator's down again. The transmission.
Well, it's not necessarily down, but...
Is it on jack stands?
No, it's actually, it's not down, it's actually up. If you think about it in realistic
It's not running
terms.
properly, that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, the transmission
You're going through your third transmission already?
Well, could be. But that's... Let's check it out.
What the fuck, dude? What happened? Nothing.
Yeah, Alex, there's nothing wrong with your clutch.
No?
No.
I didn't think there was. Oh, is it not supposed to touch the discs, but okay.
Yeah, that's right, like this.
Hey, whoever wants to be in the vlog can be in the vlog right now. Look at that focus.
That lady from the house.
What are you doing, Danny? Holding the light for everyone.
Oh, I was getting distracted.
Well, the fuel system's coming soon, though. Tell the viewers, though.
Nice. It was supposed to happen like 2 months ago.
Well, what do you think?
We could have done it right now while it was down.
Our Hulk smash right here coming. Okay, I'm gonna head out. Danny, so how's the 5.0 doing? Let's get an update on the 5.0.
Well, it makes 500 horsepower now, according to some people.
Dang,
but,
that sucks. So
yeah.
Danny went to a new dyno shop and they said it only down with 500 wheel horsepower. That's like the Cobra right there. Well,
yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, it was in limp mode, so after we got out of limp mode, the car ran, I think, after being heat soaked, it ran 771.
But still shouldn't make that. It should make more. Still kind of hits, no?
Yeah, this side right here.
This side is clear.
Is it?
Yeah. Unless it's hitting from this side over here.
Something's hitting. Go follow this guy on IG. Chato the Barber, shout it out. What is it? If you guys want to know why I look fresh, thank this guy right here. I'm being for real. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Feels way different.
Sure. I want to catch
No. When I push the clutch in, I feel it like it feels like Adrian's now. Feels like that positive disengagement.
Does it?
Yeah, Eder, you gotta sit in it because I don't know if my mind's playing tricks on me, but.
I already put it in.
Oh wait, we can loosen these adapters too. These bolts first?
Yeah, these right here.
It's cat back to header, or no, the other one, not the cat back one. Yeah, header front, yeah, right here.
Where are we going right now?
Alright guys,
We're going to Starbucks.
we're going to Starbucks because we're working our asses off.
And it's cold as hell. Look at all this fog.
cold as
Oh,
hell.
you can't even see it
I
right
want to
now.
say that it's 10 o'clock and we still have 1 hour drive home, depending on what time we leave.
What the hell?
Tornado in here. I have a feeling this shit's. It's just way better.
Yeah.
100%, bro. Shit, the second gear does feel a little bit weird. Set off the alarm. Did you hear that? It always grinds at third, but
Yeah?
it doesn't grind it like. Well, once it warms up, you know. But it doesn't do what it used to do before. Like it used to feel really like.
So what you're saying is we did it good?
I think we got it where it should. And but let me tell everybody on the vlog. I want to give a big shout out to Abraham, Eder, and Adrian for coming out and helping me. Oh my God, bro! Holy shit, dude! It's just how it should.
Yeah.
Holy shit! saw the adjustment, dude. Wow, I can't believe you dropped $2 grand at going to a shop and they don't fix it. So you know who you are, whoever did that shit. Oh my god. Shit's good. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, it shit's on way smooth. It's a little clunky, but also the trendiest. You can adjust the clutch just a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because you can feel it. You know what? Like put it in neutral, and then clutch in, put it in first, but like smooth. See how it doesn't clunk you? It don't fucking jerk you. All gears. So it's way better, but we'll give it a little try. You feel it grab?
Yeah.
My camera died. Did he find him? He found a muse, right?
Yeah. There's one that's hold it. Yeah, he found a muse. What do you think? It feels pretty healthy.
It feels really good, dude. It feels like it gives me the same feeling I get with my car.
Yeah, no, it's cool. It's just the sound. It sounds intimidating.
Right, passenger is always different for me.
All right, guys, we got the Cobra all finished up now. So we're gonna get some gas at the gas station right here. Oh shoot, it's stupid cold right now, guys. So before this video ends, I want to sum the video up. I'm very frustrated that whoever did this work, and they know who they are, did not do the work properly. And that I want to give a big shout out to Adrian, Eder, and Abraham, because if it weren't for them, they have Cobras themselves, and I'm still learning. I'm not a Cobra expert by any means, but I am starting to slowly understand a little bit about everything. And the guy who worked on my car said that the adjustments right, this and that, and this whole time I'm thinking, okay, then it's the transmission. But it's in fact not just the transmission. It was the clutch. I'm actually super pissed about the whole situation because we spent a lot of money trying to get that car fixed. This car fixed. Drove it 3 hours away and still didn't fix it. So with that, I'm just glad that the car is fixed, that the trans shifts how it should now. I've learned a lot, definitely 100%. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please consider liking and subscribing if you guys made it to the end. But yeah, I'm just glad the Cobra's back, guys. You guys don't know what's coming. We'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.
T6.
Oh my god. Oh.
How's it looking?
See, Mr. Bobaju doesn't know what this is right here. Ah, look at the Cobra, man, just take it apart. That's crazy.
How you focus it? You're gonna show me the driver mod.
Not in the neighborhood.
Outside of the hood.
This baby.
Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Woo-hoo-hoo! She's healthy. ABT with the driver mod.